Hey guys, it's Claire and Elijah, and today we are going to be doing the one and only, never before that we have done, bag challenge. Don't know what it's called.
Challenge.
So we're gonna pick a paper. Our mom's gonna scoot whatever bag 1 to 10 forward, and so yeah, basic. And let's get on with the video.
And make sure to hit the bell, subscribe, and blah, blah, blah.
There's two bad things, one from the fridge and one from the pantry. But there's also, the rest can be like sort of bad things, really good things, nice. Yeah.
Oh,
so let's get started.
Pick them out.
Oh, my mom and my dad. My mom picked the pantry stuff, and my dad picked 5 things. My mom picked 5 things from the pantry, and my dad picked 5 things from the fridge.
And whatever it is, you have to eat it.
Yeah, you have to eat it no matter what. Okay, ready?
I will go for rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Boom!
Elijah goes first.
I choose this one.
What
Wait,
did you get?
it's 9. I can tell.
No, you have to open it.
It's
It's 8.
8. Close.
No, that's 3. 8's right there. Okay.
Oh,
Oh yeah, we got a good one. I think. Oh, I think I know.
it's a pantry item.
Oh, it's a pantry item. Open it. What'd you get?
I fell out of my seat.
Oh, you got a marshmallow.
Oh, I thought it was cheese.
Here,
I want
we
to.
have to put this here. Okay,
I'm gonna
Okay.
save this for if something gets bad.
my turn. Okay, number 7, right next to it. Okay. I cannot feel anything.
I think it's sour powder.
Come on. We don't own any sour. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Your dad.
Ew! Ew! It has no ranch.
You have to eat it.
Ew! It tastes like grass.
Come on.
Wait, I'll just find the paper.
Oh!
You have to chew up and swallow 1 bite.
Come on, girl.
Oh! It tastes like grass.
How do you know what
Nice.
grass tastes like?
Cause I licked it.
Because she actually ate the grass and I ate the grass.
All right, Elijah.
Give me a bite.
No, mine. Just mine.
That's not the challenge. You're up, dude.
It's disgusting.
I think
I don't
it's
say that
2.
for anything that's too good.
6. I said 2 and you said too good.
6.
Wait, put that over there. I'm almost done before I do that. 7. Yeah, take that.
It's going 8, 7, 6.
I'm scared though.
I still have the taste in my mouth.
What
What
is
did you
that?
get?
I don't know.
Okay,
Let me have it. What's this?
A red hot.
From where?
Oh, Shums.
She got it right. She said 6.
Okay, you have to eat it. You have to eat it.
A lip.
No, you have
No.
to eat it. I ate a bite of kale.
All right, how about this? Put it in your mouth. We count to 10.
1.
Ready? All the
Go.
way in, lick it. You have to be licking on it.
I ate a bite of kale.
Wait, I just
Ready?
want to see. I want to see how hot this is. Cherry?
Cinnamon red hot. 1, 2,
2,
3, 4, 5,
5,
6, 7,
7,
8, 9,
9.1.
10.
9.2.
Oh my gosh.
Just count to
I'm
10.
ready to pick.
10.
Okay, cool.
Can I keep this in longer?
I figured you might like it.
Okay. He got candy so far.
What's it gonna be?
Number 1.
Number 1. Aw.
I'm the unlucky.
What do you think it is? Your demon did it.
I hate apples.
Hate 'em.
Cut it. Thank you. Here, you pick. What? Mom's cutting it.
No, I want this one.
I only like them in
That's right.
slices.
4 or 7. 4. Yeah,
4.
got right first.
4.
Oh, good luck with that.
It's so heavy.
Hold on. Before you look, let me eat this. Okay, all done. Oh, no, that's one.
Okay, this is heavy. It may break the bag.
What?
A jar of pickles!
I've got gross.
Can't do that. Can't do that.
You have to eat one pickle.
Okay.
Okay, I'll pick.
Oh my
Hold on.
meat.
Yeah.
Oh, baby.
Yeah.
I'm just a...
Okay. Number 5. I got number 5.
Hang on. You have to eat his pickle.
I know.
It's a long one.
I'm gonna.
I lick all the way through it.
Well, we gotta eat it. It's your challenge, not ours.
Is that dill? Can I have a bite?
Yeah, take it.
That's gross.
Come on,
Take
Elijah.
it.
Let's go.
No, they're sweet pickles.
One bite
I love
and
sweet
swallow it.
Pickles. Can I have a pickle?
Oh,
Oh, can I have a pickle?
look, watch it.
Yes.
Took a tiny bite. Wash it down with a. Chase it with a marshmallow. Claire, what number?
5.
For sake, lower.
I love pickles.
You got number 5.
Get that out of here.
Yuck! It's the grossest one.
This?
Yep. Oh, it's gonna be nasty.
Watermelon.
Yeah.
Yay, I love watermelon.
We can do another one of these. I love watermelon.
You said get something absolutely disgusting from the fridge.
Do you?
Ugh.
This is delicious.
Yuck.
I
yucky.
can't wait.
Your
Pete,
turn, Elijah.
you're up.
No, I want number 10.
Hey, number 2.
Number 10. Good job.
This is so light. I feel like you got something that I really wanted. What did you get? I want to see.
Ew! Licorice!
Ew, a Twizzler.
No, that's
Twizzlers.
yeah, it's licorice.
I hate Twizzlers.
Isn't that interesting? They've each got like.
Oh
things
yay!
on
I
top
can't
of
open the
it.
Twister so I don't have to eat it.
I'll open it.
Yuck.
Get scissors.
Claire,
Oh,
you got
my number is
3 left.
number 3.
Number 3. You're gonna love number 3.
What's in my Christmas bag?
Ew.
I may have a good feeling about it. Unless it's tuna. It feels like tuna.
Wish we had tuna in the fridge. Finger licking good sauce.
It's like spicy. It's spicy.
Probably not good
say
without
you-
chicken.
Here you go. You gotta do one bite and swallow it.
Ew,
Got
I
it.
hate licorice.
Open it up,
Not
Claire.
licorice.
It's licorice too. Give me a baby spoon. A baby spoon.
I love it.
Ugh.
You love it?
Ew. Ew. With no chicken?
Come on. No.
8 a.m. at breakfast time? Here you go.
I haven't even had give
Go,
me an
go. This is your breakfast. Wash it down
It
with
tastes
a.
like cocktail sauce.
Wash it down with a pickle.
Ugh. I want number 9.
Not better.
No. 2.
2.
That's heavy.
There
I
you
got
go.
number 9. Lucky number 9.
Okay, it's glass.
I'm 9.
What is it? What is it?
Put it here. I'll pull it out for you.
Yeah, this is mine, Claire. This is mine forever.
What?
Okay, here. You eat a spoonful. Here. How about?
You gotta have the same spoon size that Claire had. Yeah.
He got a big spoon.
the same helping. A little bitty helping.
I hate this.
Marshmallow.
I hate American cheese! I hate American cheese!
You got every one of them I thought Elijah would get. That's so funny. You have to have a little piece.
American cheese. I got one good thing.
Hey, this is your challenge.
One! Fine, the next one, you have to refill these bags.
No more. No mashed Nutella. Nope, that's not part of the challenge.
Oh, gotta get her face eating her cheese.
Ew.
Worst cheese ever.
Yeah. Really
It's
do.
so gross, isn't it? All right.
Yeah. How was your challenge?
Horrible.
Yummy.
Except the watermelon.
Dad, can you make another challenge after?
Yeah.
Include this one.
Bye.
Smash the like button, subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss another video. Goodbye.
Put in the comments hashtag disgusting if you like this video.
I'm gonna get
Hashtag disgusting American cheese.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.